This is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today with a 2013 Toyota 86, stock number 6605. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It is an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,